Okay, I'm here today with Jello. Hi, Jello.
Hi, Sir Paul. Good morning.
Hi there. Okay, so first of all, congratulations. You passed your OET.
Yes, thank you, Sir Paul. And because
Okay.
of Seth.
Well, that's great to hear. That's great to hear. Okay, so why did you choose SET
I
English?
think Seth is really good. You have live classes. So, and I also get in touch with other students too that who also studying OET. So that is why.
Okay, and what was it that you were struggling with? You said you didn't pass twice. What was it that
Yeah,
was the
twice.
problem?
Well, I I think passing OET for me, I'm on the verge of giving up OET, Sir Paul. So because on the first I just got like one subtest, like I passed only one subtest, and then after enrolling SET on the third attempt, I finally got the all B without having some C plus. So that's really a great well, SET did a
Oh,
great job. So on my
okay.
journey, it's really helped me, really.
Fantastic. Oh, that's really, really good to hear. Okay, so what is it that's next for you then, Jello?
Yeah, well, Sir Paul, because if I didn't pass the UOT, so it will block my way going forward. So now I finally passed. So now I'm moving forward, going
Okay,
forward.
and what are you going to do in terms of moving forward? Are you going to travel or?
Mm, uh, like working in UK or in Ireland. So passing OET give me a chance to open doors for opportunity to to reach dreams going and living in another country. So that is why.
Excellent.
Thank you. Set
Okay.
English.
Okay, super. Okay, well, thanks very much for sharing with us, Jello. Okay, wish you the best of luck and stay in touch.
Mm. Thank you, Sir Paul. And thank
Okay,
you, Seth, for having, you did a great job for giving me this opportunity to pass my OET. Thank you. I'm
okay,
really,
all right,
thank
bye
you,
bye.
Sir Paul.